Hello everyone. This video is on how to predict in a blank chart without any planet, and today we will focus on Taurus ascendant. Taurus ascendant. You need to know the sign Taurus first. It is the second house of natural zodiac. Second house, which represents our family, our voice, our finances, resources. So the sign Taurus shows all the qualities of second house, and it is ruled by Venus, plant Venus, which represents beauty and creativity. So Venus like to represent its quality in a more feminine way in the sign Taurus, because Taurus is a female sign or feminine sign. So when it comes to the first house related thing, this Taurus ascendant people give much importance to their appearance. Second thing is that the Taurus ascendant people love to live in a family environment. Third thing is that this Taurus ascendant people love to keep the resources with themselves. This Taurus ascendant people, these people are highly creative, but they may face jealous issues due to their creativity. When it comes to the second house related thing regarding their family, these people are born and brought up in a highly communicative environment family. Yes, the family has a certain amount of duality, but the inside family atmosphere is quite communicative, because Gemini sign is over there and it is a dual sign. For Taurus ascendant, when it comes to the third house related issues like communication, relationship with the younger sibling, they are very emotional. These people can connect emotionally through their communication. These people can connect emotionally through their writings. These people are emotionally connected to their younger siblings. Yes, there is certain amount of up and down in the relationship, but they are always emotionally connected to the younger siblings, because the sign of Cancer is over there and Moon is the lord of that sign. When it comes to the fourth house related activity like mother, land, property, vehicle, these people feel pride when they are showing off their property, showing off their vehicles. They feel proud when they are with their mothers. And for Taurus ascendant, their mother might be a working woman, might take the role of the father, because Leo sign is over there in the fourth house. When it comes to the fifth house related matter like dealing with children, these people are quite analytic. Yes, their children are highly intelligent, because the sign of Virgo is over there, which rules by Mercury, and Mercury is getting exalted in the sign of Virgo. So these people, children, are highly intelligent, but these people always try to connect with their children through analytical ways. They ask a lot question to their children. So this may create some problem. Many times it creates some problem with the relationship with the children. When it comes to the service, sixth house related matter, day-to-day activity, dealing with debts, diseases, these people show a lot of interest towards service. towards serving other without any benefit, because the Lagna Lord also rules the 6th house. So these people shows their interest for service to others. When it comes to the 7th house related issue like spouses, partnership, these people always try to hide something related to their spouse, related to their partnership. Spouse of these people may take interest in occult signs, because the sign of Scorpio is over there and it is the 8th house. So these people's wife may or spouse may take interest to learn occult science. When it comes to the 8th house related activities like chronic diseases, insurance, death, these people have a higher knowledge. These people have a higher knowledge regarding insurance. If you want to take an insurance, then do consult these people, because these people research a lot regarding insurance. These people know the lineage of the spouse or family linkage of the spouse more than the spouse, because the sign of Sagittarius is over there. When it comes to the 9th house related issue like religion, father, guru, these people are quite disciplined towards their religion. We can say that father and guru of these peoples are quite disciplined, because the sign of Capricorn is over there, which is lorded by Saturn. When it comes to the workplace or working condition, 10th house related issue, these people can able to make a large friend circle in their workplace, or through a large friend circle or large networking circle, these people can able to earn money. Networking is to be there in their profession, otherwise they will leave the job, because the sign of Aquarius is over there. Friends, networking, it needs to be there. When it comes to the 11th house activity, the Lagna Lord is getting exalted in the sign of Pisces. When these people are, the Taurus ascendant people are with their friends, they feel they are like in heaven. They think that these friends are there for last so many births. They feel philosophical with their friends. So these people are quite happy to spend time with their friends. When it comes to their 12th house activity, losses, these people are fast to react, because the sign of Aries is over there. When they are in sleep, if someone disturbs, then they will quickly react. Yes, as the sign of Aries is over there, so these people do have problem in their sleep pattern. If some malefic is expected or present in the 12th house, in the sign of Aries, for Taurus ascendant people, then they do have problem in their bed. They are not able to get enough sleep. So this is the way how you can correlate the 12 houses with the 12 signs. Friends, hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.